Hello, this is Not the Crochet, and I thought I'd bring you a quick, short little thingy, but not a short. I'm a pencil person. If I can find oh, here it is. Turn it this way. I'm a pencil holder. Is that the word? I don't know. Anyway, and this is how I crochet. And my fingers down low. It used to be up high, but I don't know, over time it dropped down low. I think I felt that I had more control over things if my fingers were closer to the work. And that's fine. And I'll probably always be a pencil holder. Is that? I want to say holder, but it's holder. And recently, I've invested in these. Now, I know the pouch don't look like much, I just threw it together, but what it holds is a lot. Furls. And I need to expand my pouch because I'm steady getting them. I like them because they're beautiful, and I thought, okay. And now I've had 3 others, and I sold them because I couldn't get them to work with my style of crocheting, but that's the key. They will not work with my style of crocheting. With the pencil hold that I was doing with the close down on the work. Won't work with that. But I've been playing with them here lately. Because I said, well, this makes no sense. I've spent all this money. I should be able to use these hooks. And I got the Odyssey one to work. It worked fine. Because I had to like switch how I was holding my hand and everything. And just today, I decided to take out this one, and I forget what it's called, carousel, and try it. Now this is my 6mm clover. I'll take it out, and I'm gonna put this in. Now if I try to do this like a pencil, that's not gonna work. That's gonna get snagged on everything. But if I convert to a knife hold and do it like this, it works. I might have to turn it a little, and I'm all right with that as long as I can use the hook. And it's not half bad. And you can see it's streaming right along. Stitches look good. Yeah. Now, I don't know about the resin ones. I hadn't played with them much. I don't know if they'll work. But this wood hook is just ticking right along. I can't say that I will use the furls at every opportunity, but it's nice to know that when I want to use one, I can. So look for my collection on Furls to get a lot bigger. And hopefully my speed will increase as well. you go.